Someone might have been bothering you, or you see that someone is violating Snapchat's guidelines. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. And just click on this messages icon at the bottom part of our screen, and you should be able to get to your chats page. Now from here, first, if you want to report a certain friend on Snapchat, for example, I want to report this certain friend, just tap on that conversation and tap on their name at the top part. And from here, click on this three-dotted icon right over here and click on Manage Friendship. Now from here, you should be able to see the report option. So click on that and you should be able to see some of the reasons why you might be reporting this certain friend on Snapchat. So just click on that certain reason. So for example, I'm gonna click on this one and you can just click on Submit right here, and then the report will be sent to Snapchat. So just click on Dismiss. Now if you want to report someone on Snapchat that is not your friend, so for example, I want to report this certain account, you can click on that certain convo or the profile that is from your friend requests list and tap on their name. Click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and just click on report and just do the same thing. Just click on the reason why you are reporting this someone and just wait for the report to be sent to Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.